Okay, so I'm going live. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is my walkthrough on my Shopify store. I just added what's it called? Facebook Messenger on here. So now I'm about to go view my store. This is my Shopify app on my phone. Here's my store right here. I had to get some designs up here. See how this brush tool work on here. So yeah, I need to get some designs on these shirts. Change that color real quick. I like green. Yeah, there we go. Designs on these shirts. Okay, that was a cool little tool. This is my top performing right here. Just like by views, a lot of people are looking at that shirt. This is the second one right here. And then this is the third one. So first, second, and third. I'm remaking this one right here. And then after that, I'm gonna come over here, remake this one, then remake this one, and make them look more professional. Okay. This is my website. Scrolling down. I don't show my shoes on there yet. If I come over here, maybe in accessories. Oh, I gotta publish my shoes. So that's something I gotta do real quick. But anyway, open up my messenger. Also got a newsletter. Like if you want to be a part of my newsletter, send your email to me and subscribe. Anyway, open up in my messenger right now. And then it takes you to my John Zero advertising page. So I'm gonna have to change that all over to Soul Yoke. So it's all one thing. And then about me, I use marketing to boost the morale of my customers and teach them to provide for themselves. And then get started. Then I have my little messenger where it's going to talk to you. To say, hey, thank you for contacting us. We received your messages and appreciate you reaching out. Need help? You can leave us a message here and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So like, this is all new to me. Like I'm looking at it right now as you're looking at it. And this is amazing how easy it is to set up a store in 2020. So as you can see now, you can contact me through this page, and let's go to my profile real quick so you can know. John Zero advertising. It's going to take you to this page. This is me. I don't really have too many ads up. I need to put some up. But this is my page. Click learn more so I can see what happens. You can ask me questions here or shop using the messenger menu. Okay.